So today, I've got a cave tile. We're finishing it up with paint, start to finish. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So on this week's video, we are taking this cave tile, which I made in a previous episode, and we are going to paint it start to finish. If you haven't seen the previous episode, make sure to check it out. There's a link up in the corner. For our first step, we're just going to be base coating this entire piece. We are going to be using Porkorny Paints cardboard to do the base coat, which covers very nicely over the gray Merlins Magic Plaster. Now that we've got the base coat out of the way, we're going to be using 3 different Porkorny paints to do the accents on this cave tile. We've got white, we've got school bus, and we've got lava. And we are going to be using a number 4 round paintbrush to do those spots. We want to make sure that the lines are crisp, and we want to use bright colors so that when we do our next step, these colors are going to show through. Now that we've got the accent colors painted and dried on our cave tile, we're ready to do our wash. We're using Quickie shoe polish in brown to do this wash, and it's kind of messy, so I would recommend that you have a paper plate around. Once you get everything covered, just take a paper towel and blot off the excess. On to our next step. Now that this is dry, we're going to do a dry brush over this piece. We're using Porkorny Paints Cavern Dry Brush, and if you haven't seen it, I have a whole video on how to do a dry brush that you can check out by following the link up in the corner. With the last real step in the paint process dry, we're ready to clear coat this to protect it. We're using Vallejo's gloss acrylic varnish and matte acrylic varnish. The matte will go on all of the major surfaces of this cave tile, and the gloss is going to go on all of the stalactites and stalagmites that we painted out with our accent colors to make them look wet. And there you have it, guys. One completed cave tile for a modular gaming system. So I hope you guys liked this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Make sure to leave me any questions or comments that you have. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.